Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Casey. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you go down and subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and check me out on Instagram. All links down below. So today I'm just gonna get into it right away. Today we're gonna go over keyword research and just show you some tools that have just recently come out and that are great. So let's hop into my computer. Let's hop into my computer and let's get in it. All right, hey guys. So let's get right into it. So this is for keyword research. So usually, like I've said before in my other videos, I usually outsource my product listing. Someone do it because the people that I work with, they've done most of all of my listings and they do great. And I'd rather have someone else do it than me if they do better than me. So that's what I like to do. But this time I did some for my new launch I have coming up, launching next week. I did my own product research and everything. And so I just want to show you guys. Now, this on Jungle Scout, there is a link down below for Jungle Scout. I am affiliated with them, so check that out. But this keyword research tool they just implemented, I don't know, a couple weeks ago, a couple months ago. But I just started using it, and I'm even using it for product research to research for products, and it's been working okay. I'm not the most creative coming up with words, so this is a little harder for me than the normal way that I use, but I'm still using it. I just want to show you for keyword research. So you log in here, Jungle Scout, and you come right here, Keyword Scout, and then one way to do it. Say you're doing yoga mats, right? You just type in yoga mat, and oh sorry, I guess I itching. Yoga mat. Okay, so you can see right here, exact match, 200,000 searches a month, right, on Amazon. Broad, 500,000. This is a huge tip right here. It shows you how many they recommend for you to give away per day to rank on first page. So you just right here see 7 to 14 days to rank in top 3. So this is a huge tool that it's great. So they're saying for this is 149 a day, which is insane. But we already know yoga mats are really competitive. But anyway, say yoga mats. So you come down and you can see workout mat, 16,000. Yoga strap. You would pick what you want to rank for. So yoga mats, gym mat. You can also click into these and see what's coming up. So this gym mat, I probably wouldn't do that. So that's basically it for that. I mean, it's really simple. You would just type that in, and you would just keep going down, see the search terms, and you put in your listing. Also, another way to do it is, let's go over to this page, and you go to yoga, so yoga mat on Amazon. Let that load. So now we're on Amazon. So what I did for my new listing, what I did is I come here, and the top sellers, right? You can take honestly any one of these, but I'm not gonna take Amazon's brand. I'm gonna go bestseller here. Take this one. All right, once you're in here, you're gonna scroll down. You're gonna grab the ASIN. Grab the ASIN, and I did this. I took multiple different listings, and I took all the high keywords. Some rank for certain, and that others don't rank for. So you want to do that, and make sure that you're getting all the high keywords that they might be missing. So you just come in, you paste the ASIN in. And then boom, right here, you can see they're coming up for yoga mat, DMA. What is this? Let me see. I don't know why I don't know why they're coming up for that, but it seems kind of useless to me. But then this one, yoga mat thick, yoga mat, 2 T's, exercise mats. So you can see all of those. They mix yoga mats. I mean, I would pick that, but like I said, you would just go back in here, and then you could even just like run a Jungle Scout here. It wants me to log in. The first top listing, say we take this listing. So we take this listing. Let that load. All right, scroll down to the bottom. The same exact thing. So while you do this, I would have my what I would do is I would have my listing up and I would go inside the keywords and start just implementing these top keywords into my listing. And then you can, open up a tab, put the other ASIN, and then you can compare. You don't want to duplicate, but I would use for multiple. Don't just take from one seller because they might be missing stuff. So this one they're ranking for different keywords, as you can see. They're both ranking for yoga mat, but different after that. So I would take the highest search from each and do that, and also just do the keyword like I did at first, yoga mat, and then find those that are relevant. And I mean, that's basically it for keywords. So for keywords, you want to put them in your backend, but it's very crucial to put them in your title, your bullet points, your description, everywhere. It even helps rank if they're in for your reviews. When people, review, if those keywords are there, that also helps. But that's basically it, guys. Really quick video just on keyword research. This is a huge tool, Jungle Scout came out with, and I'm using it, and I would recommend you to use it. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this quick little video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. And also, if you're not subscribed already, subscribe to the channel. Also, guys, before you go, I have started a Facebook group. It's only got about 30 people in it right now. But if you want to join the Facebook group, the link will be down below. I'm very active in there. I mean, it's hard to be active when people aren't, in there posting. But if you have any questions, and just comment in there, and I'm really trying to grow that group. But it's free Facebook group, and I just help out. Any questions, I will comment in there and respond. So make sure you do that. Also follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to grow my Instagram. All right, guys. Any questions? Comment down below. Join the Facebook group. You know what to do. Peace out. See you later.